could be Xposed GH as usual. Now subscribe, please subscribe. Subscribe. Dear Bayan, someone subscribe. Share here subscription. Very, 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 very. Like we really do need it. Now after, so please, if you want to sponsor us, just call our number, pick our number. For ya to say who and see pick your number because Christmas ever. Now you're born your mom who do a mouth. Now after, so call Facebook, now following Xposed GH. Na kamia koye say delay. Sia oka bibia another issue because ne when now ni speech now come was our youth forum honum no kamia koye say it's not ending. Every single blessed day there is a reply to a particular session, and I said there is a reply to a particular word she said, and I was thinking that like okay, I don't even want to be the judge here. But after say, let me tell you, me beka tremor say Ghana at 60 akpe diamond appear asem and I'm making. After say oba ebe shady delay na delay mpo answer and pay attention to him. Was sense about the shady delay him. Now this is because if you as nigga ebe make posting bits in reply or in response to embra delay I can say or no. Or on that kind of bar or person or no worry oga, like she wants to be the oga herself. She doesn't want to be oga wife. After that saying, you know, and now if you're just nigga back can say, hey, no, you were kissing my friend is saying as someone joined ex-wife asked because you wanted him and I said hey to hook you up. In fact, if you're just nigga claim so or no ma delay a strong woman, like I was like really now when did you even meet delay? And see after that particular post now delay and shadam reply delay be make it post say nobody has to tell you who you are who you are based on who you are. No delay so be massa response no. And now on no akpe Ghana assisting on so free delay say kwe women to sell no. Wa beye audio tin na kamia koye say nyem na make kan Ghana for ni be say ka koye say akpe no say why depressed and I say only boyfriend po because nyema ni bi na no kan o use to say a whole like minutes and all the video and the audio and the ODD delay attempt ODD po ina no ODD delay attempt say no ni na bra boss status or boy far better than delay here and there, delay new office, delay crapono on your boss, yeah, she's not successful. The next time obi be free obi so be mass speech about success no on your then on stress any panel she has office. See how new office you cannot be successful. Intend the almost who boys no more offices nina or we are very successful because based on what Akbe was saying. That's how I see it. So, in your office, you are not successful, my nigga. Young colleague go to Akbe, Ghana, young go to audio number.
Jimmy for now, my dream or Hannah, almost supporting na my vision. Oh, it's her past life. Everybody has a past life.
According to them, when I pay honest.
Only in Ghana, and a majority of the masses hate the truth because they are all hypocrites and they know that the truth hurts. It's only in Ghana, and I honest and truthful say no. They dislike us because in saying cannot cry, we say things as it is. Because and then sir, how can Obiba kofa Obi Oyeshe so mami? I got na platform so says I nipa no lie about being successful. Like really, ebi ana omu nim because nipa no wa packaging who say oye successful. But before mobile fail be successful no, there should be evidence, as in physical evidence of nipa ne ejuma na also oye. Ye hu ni company baby e wo ni location ni office. Ye ni eti kroma e escafom ye successful. They said Dr. Kwekutin, I don't go ye ni baby a ne factory ni offices ni ade wo. Person me bo nkofodin, but we all know say your boss Sekins din a ye nim say Sekins paints head office wa ha say like we know what I say but obia the whole Ghana obi ehun ni office da o so oton ho ahwan bi obi ehun ni office da obi ehun baby a company ni esi say na so and so company si obi ehun da obi ehun ni workers da obi ehun ni fie se otimi esi property po ba ku se obi ehun bi da o nso metu sela nam enu o dwa nanim ena de madam yeti kroba na mri bi ko gina asori bi so platform so ko dwa wanum say you have bought the house you live in but now boa na sa 2-bedroom na utimo Salem estate na wo rent it. But who could now who jawanum so I've even built a house and I've bought the house I live in. But oh boy, and then I would jawanum sa. Morning the NCR on team posting a juma madano because any dear obisha so mami and oh yeah. Because I will crumble now on best obe postia. Kabana there were a lot of Ghanaians on beba out. I beka say oh my corner juma mudao, Nenia Manokra Makotu be atonda, and I'm a koto idea that I mean like people who are test. You don't even have to talk. Like in Crawford Babe, oh, ne Jumemo ha, a beer, Nansuma, Odoko, and Isle, Wana, Spintes, and baby. People will talk. They're back on Super Babe who say any see hono. Mimi was shop, Buo, Achimota, then go for call, or Tado himself, me was shop or me was say, what has to go for whom. So you can't hide. And then your neighbors in their own thing. It's a right. So audio invisible generational wealth now will build your mind the moon and your reality no. And fan got now home fan ko shady for mobile bra for real. Show what they have achieved of jealousy because to me achieve is your money be into what decided to be packaging I fake is all a big girl because footballer be you see brand name one of their brand name product hey when you man was share to Ghana for so me Becca say me a real estate my be prove it beyond reasonable doubts say I'm into real estate me be church and say documents all bearing my name into me or me ko jina on me man lectures on real estate it's because I've been able to provide evidence. Ghanaians have seen it. Madam, you who share that office keke po me be there sa last month office keke I would see home pono twabra ka be si na untimi twabaye na nkofo ka o past life say na did the small boys e chi agusu this small boys e chi ekofa ba ko Highlander ko be Highlander na udi ne namo no ye kan na ye nya ejimi fo na omo supporting ejimi fo na omadwimo ha na omo supporting na Oma Bejana, oh, it's her past life. Everybody has a past life. It is not her past life. Currently, she's still dating small boys. The only difference is this time around, don't cut na boy any fee. But the same lifestyle now, no difference be any. But more no, you can't. Mama yenka, but mama to me confirm me past life, which is my music videos. Now mo post it. But some me past life no. I was the one investing in that craft though. I was a boss investing in my music at that time. Na nyo be maybe fear na makot na or MF. Ni car. That those time na me treat me ankasa me customize Morano. Sa time na mo madam me to sell no. O treat boy bi car na me ankasa na me treat me Morano. Inti me ni mates. But momo to me confirm me old music video no man ko post say more than mocking me and answer there. You guys are rather mocking yourself and exposing how failed your lives have become. Because as at that age, I was busy investing in myself and my craft, which was music. And I was driving around in my customized car. I wasn't squatting with a small boy at MF Estate and driving his car just to belong, go Debbie. So into more difference, no. More difference, no matter I say. Into another more compare your past life now. I'm on fan can say, not small girls, no. Hey, you see more customized cars. But now I'm the phone day. Oh, my Daniel more popcorn boys, Nick and Boo boys, sugar mummies. No, airport much just to drive their cars. How sad. How sad. Madam, packaging now, but now I'm looking for a husband who then Obiampe. You are fake. Nti mema no omo ba no mo bebe no mo se hwi ni kwa. Obian take you serious. Obe packaging ho na me big na bra bi enimu no. Ebe date wu. E no be hu se se wo kra wo ti rent 2-bedroom. Oh, Salem Estate, I want to come and it. Bro, you used to no to die. Ain't it, bro? I say, because I'm almost scam. Now, money, 40 years for Nigeria, or shutting Nigeria down. Or a huge party to us about 3 days. Who did 40 cook, Nifanta, or dinner? She na say o $10 and one DJ Cappy Papa. Oh, then his sister's birthday. Yes, we charter yacht 3 million euros. Hey, they see poso. So on the bush and for enough for kwaji wo many. There's evidence. I mean, who was scar? Even if you don't show the physical, like, so even if so assets being in Yaman be important, being out to post here, where Jumani there, you should share it because a Jumana a public and conform consume. Oh, now see a Jumana made a name say I know what they are. Obi to say Obi Kubana, or post your dogu bites. Yeah, daddy. What must say? Oh, launch your dogu bites in who they were shutting down Nigeria because I need ya. Shani branded company cars near that. Oh, Tico Crown brandy with that. Share money. Also, post it in the office several times or a video on the office will be a home. Oh, then the 40th birthday or shut it down. And member crank are usually almost pay posting the bray, unlike a man pono. Almost put they post. What must say? And I always cry. It's not even about posting your work and animal baby, but it's your doings. Doings in the my own level. No. Now we be 40 years now be a party. 40 years now be a party at my asha. Oh now see say oh yeah the big one in the game juja we num oh be a party at my asha. What be ya what dey enti say abon kro enti say abeche coke ne fanta ashentare fun hwe we gi fun bi an ehyew. When I was general always successful no. Do you understand what being successful means? Who doing say low. Usika sem wo fom so ma yenya so okro yim. Aden wa dan fu bi affairs na nam no be. Ni be ka say enumdwa ne ye mo. Asem o kan no kra enumdwa nko a. Ano to she. Ano to she enumdwa ne ye mo. Titi wo sem so ai. Na bro once na ye adwuma odu level na odu wins na kasa be kasa ama. O start for private jet ni first class ni bia. Odu wins be kasa ama. Etiawa. Now this goes to the hypocrites. Montier way very very carefully. Now know how to differentiate between certain things. The fact say wo a wo ti ofie wo po obi asem doesn't mean say nipa na successful. There be two different things. Into wo po obi asem na ohan dan a onye successful nchen a or their own pen asem a ono nyame ehira with multiple properties. We are den a nyame ehira their own pen asem no chen their own pen asem. Nti so wuji tum. Nti tiawa sometimes will be to me Enna you have failed in music, you have failed in you can say I failed in everything no. But a blessings nyame blessing me chen what so called favorites na omo an fail no. Bebre that so high dying. Bebre living hand to mouth. They can't even afford ordinary economy vacations. But to me afford it. I don't know shimono. I don't even want to mention it, but there are some like actors are. On streets to come like to do but ni shit. That is not what I want to. Me, I wasn't looking for fame. Let me say, baby, no man I say. I was never looking for fame. Music, I was doing it for fun. Sorry, I'm eating. Music, I was just doing it for fun. So that time, let me start. I was just exploring my talents. My primary focus was to make money. That was why, for the past 5 years, I stopped doing interviews. I wasn't interested in going out to events, blah, blah, blah. Because I am a priority and come a priority. So I am an first come me. So I stopped doing interviews. Someone will invite me for programs. Me decline baby. Me call interviews. I can't say me interviews. Just anyone I may call Ghana DJ I was because I was invited to come and present an award. Oh, you are a failed musician. Yes, God made it so. Because now Nyankopon pese my brabo be useless. To say mo grandmama former artist. I don't know say she achieved all the success in musical, but at her age, ohan dying, etiduasi ton benku. Na mo will say stars like Rihanna, Beyonce, money and the omo Diana. A star or tibiasi ton benku ha dying. Is that one too a star? Just I'm Kobe and mo mom one stars no. I'm a mom be compare me. Debbie because there's some kwasi a fame ni bi na me pair. Kamesuma ko date Apache. Sasa no date Apache just to get a small chance to even do music. David, me, I've always had vision, and I'm still moving with that vision. There I be do hol munyina mudi money be hu. And let me educate you. Failing in life is still renting in your old age and living hand to mouth. That is what we call failure. But you be on your shroud with multiple properties. Utu quite time be pay. You are living good. You are living their dream life. How do you call that a failure? You are in pains, severe pains that God has blessed me. And your so-called stars are living hand to mouth, watching me in pains. I'm living their dream life, I tell you, because I know them. And I know some living their dream life. I used to talk to them, so I know what they wish they were also doing, but they can't afford it. Any doings, form low grade Coke and Fanta doings. Me, this month, me have share 1 or 2 things be. Na be at the end of the year, no, my husband make sure we be kakrebi swa. Na me via next year cry the moon me and no kasa biom on social. You won't even hear me do.
Hey, nah, me see. Come here, say I don't know what did delay do to the Mafia gang, because see, I be obeka the Mafia gang for no. They fight with her. They fight her, right? They will be fighting the people obeka and they are fighting her. Well, so ebusan for see no delay only office on ye oga on sansu enye successful according to a year diamond appear. Ebusan for na has say and I do a bit din edina naja subscribe. Peace.
Only for dear no how a dear no adwendwen dear no kodana a dying and a wasie and a open chance in papa a day apostle and a dying with Simona sensu to a nuno enuntia ma wona akwakoye bisi basa any and media sempa and natural things a be warm and some a day amasa crofoni nase to sumi canabra warm akache na warm MMS so how no ano emfa emau enunti for one number it will screen no esuna any warm in the air kasubusa so one juma so nintino adansi for womo atum ne true things ana womo adwuma edanso na wontu sika engu de biara eda